Hello and welcome back to my channel. I want to show you All About Spelling today. So this is a student pack and I was really intimidated by All About Spelling. It seemed like it had a lot of parts to it. So I wanted to show you what it has and how you assemble it, just if there's any other moms out there who also feel the same way, or dads. Alright, so you need the box. You need the interactive kit initially. So it's pretty sturdy. It's little foam things, I guess, to keep its shape. And then here's the interactive kit. Here are your card categories. We're just going to set this up and see how easy it is. So we've got review, master, future lessons for each category. And then they have phonogram cards, sound cards, key cards, and word cards. So the packet, the student packet, is just the different cards that go in the box, and these little markers and stickers. Before I actually started researching the program to buy it, I thought there was like a bunch of setup. I think I was getting the All About Reading mixed up with this one, because this one is not... there we go. So these, hopefully the colors correspond to these cards. I'm not quite sure. I haven't used it yet. Like I said, we're just setting it up today. So there's a certificate of achievement, which is nice. Kids like that. And then there's a lot of cards. Okay, so here, I guess, is what you use the bee stickers for, and just to pass off the things you learn. So phonograms. And then here are the phonogram cards. And I think we'll go through this level pretty quickly. My kids have been reading for several years now, so they're perforated, so that's easy. I'm also using this with my second grader as well, just to make sure that he won't have any spelling problems either. He's already a pretty good speller, but just want to make sure. Okay, so... oh no, here's the progress chart. So what? Okay, so this is just phonograms, and this is just a progress chart for each chapter. So let's put those aside. I'll show you the rest of it. In this packet, here's how to get the phonograms sound app. And then, they also have downloadable movable tiles. So if you don't want to have all the pieces, you can just do it on the screen. All right, so here are the little magnet squares that go in the backs of the tiles. And my oldest, that when I got this for, he is very hands-on. That kid can fix anything. I put the magnets on the back of these ones. Online it was saying you should use a magnetic whiteboard for these. I will probably just use a cookie sheet. So the setup's really simple. You just tear the perforated cards, stick them in the right categories, and then add the magnets on the back of these. So how long did it take me? About 2 hours. But I was really careful with the tearing of the cards, and I'm always scared of tearing through stuff, even though it's perforated. Another thing that slowed me down was my short nails. I had to take these magnets and peel the paper off with a knife, butter knife, because my nails are not long enough to do a good job with that. So that took a while. If I had longer nails, I'm sure it would take a lot less time. I actually had 2 boxes to set up. You need 1 box and 1 set of cards per child during the program. I didn't want to take another 2 hours, so I had my kids help me. And they didn't do the best job at turning the cards, so some came out, not this box, the other box, came out a little raggedy, but that's okay. But the thing that took a long time with their work is that my oldest grabbed all the cards and started flipping them out like money on a movie. So that took quite a while to pick up and organize. So after he did that, it was actually about the same amount of time. So that was unfortunate. Now I could have had my kids help the whole time, but I wanted to get an accurate idea for you guys so you could make a decision if this is something you wanted to do. If the time commitment to set this up is freaking you out, you can always get your kids to help or your husband, or just do it at night when you're relaxing in front of Netflix or whatever. I just wanted to get the first one done myself to give you an accurate idea of how long it would take you. So some takeaways. I didn't realize that you weren't supposed to throw away the blank tiles of these. So I did throw away 1 set. I didn't see this that says, keep the blank tiles handy, you will need them. So if you were spelling the word out, you'd have, the consonant and then a consonant and then a blank tile in the middle for the placeholder. And then your student would have to find it, the right letter. So I think that's what they're used for. Like I said, we're not too far in the program yet, but you should keep them if you can. If not, I think these would probably work just as well. And that's what I'm going to do with mine. So I mentioned earlier I was going to use a cookie sheet for these, but honestly the carpet works just fine. Oh, so you also need to organize these, and it tells you how to in the book. So this is level 2 stuff, use now and then use later. But they were all from the same pack. So I've showed you the student stuff. Now I'm going to do a flip through of the teacher's manual for you. All about spelling in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.